Hey there, it's Ron from GreenGeeks. Today we're taking another look at cPanel. I'll be showing you how to create and manage your email accounts, your forwarders, and how to access webmail. Let's go ahead and get started. From your GreenGeeks account, click cPanel. Today we're looking at the email section, specifically email accounts and forwarders. Let's start with email accounts. Here's where you can create email accounts for your domain. To create a new account, go to the right and click on the blue Create button. Enter the username you would like to use. In my example, I'll just use Ron. And enter the password. At the bottom, click Create. Allow a moment for the interface to create the account, and you'll see your account appear here on the list. So what if we want to update our password? You would go over to the Manage button on the right. On the new page, look for Security, New Password, and you can enter your new password here in the box. Enter whatever you like, scroll all the way to the bottom, and click Update Email Settings. This will update your email password, and the user can now immediately use the new password. So how would we check our email? Well, we would go over here and click the Check Email button. Allow a moment to log in, and then click Open over here on the left. This will bring you into the webmail interface. This is where you can check all of your email online without having to configure it in an email client, such as Thunderbird or Outlook. If you want to learn how to set up your email with Thunderbird or your preferred mail application, go back over here to the right side of the screen and click on Connect Devices. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the mail server information that you need to enter into your application to get everything connected correctly. You can use either POP3 or IMAP. I personally recommend IMAP just to help keep everything synced up between your devices. So if we go back to the cPanel homepage, there's one more section I would like to show you in this video. Look at the Forwarders section. Here's where you can create email aliases to forward email to other inboxes, just so you don't have to manage separate email accounts for every address. And let me show you an example. So if I wanted to create a new forwarder, I want people to be able to reach me, for example, at support@ron.ecosite.example. And I want to forward this to Ron at ron.ecosite.example. I'll add forwarder. You'll see a message here. And if you go back to your forwarder list and scroll down, you'll see email address support@mydomain now forwards to ron@mydomain. So any email anybody sends to that address will show up in my inbox, and I can reply to it and manage it directly from there without having to jump to another email account. You can add as many forwarders as you like. So for example, let's add another one. Maybe you want to forward help to my address as well. We do ron@ron.ecosite.example. Click add and go back. And now we see both of our forwarders, help and support, now forward to ron@mydomain. Now you know how to manage your email accounts in cPanel. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like button for me, subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you in the next video.